Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In our video today, I am going to tell you about natural hazards. Let's start our first episode. Natural hazards is a phenomenon in which living beings have a negative impact. Mostly humans lose their lives, livelihoods and properties. Natural hazards are cyclones, droughts, floods, earthquakes and tsunamis. And now I am going to discuss about the occurrence of these hazards in our country. Natural hazards, areas affected by cyclonic storms, rough prone areas, flood prone areas, cold desert, hot desert, earthquakes and tsunamis. Firstly, I am going to discuss about cyclones. Areas affected by cyclonic storms. In our country, Kerala is a state which was affected by cyclones because the harsh winds from Mediterranean Sea hit Kerala and the hills in the Western Ghats prevent them to move further. So Kerala is mostly affected by cyclones followed by the state Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, West Bengal. Now I am going to tell you about droughts. Droughts occur due to monsoon failure and lack of rainfall, thereby causing farmlands into unirrigated and unfertile lands. In our India, Rajasthan is mostly affected by droughts, followed by Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Now I am going to tell you about floods, flood prone areas. Floods are caused due to abnormal overflow of water beyond the normal level. This water flows into the low-lying lands and spoil the livelihoods of the people there living there. Nowadays, governments of all states are following necessary steps to prevent the loss of people and livelihood. Major flood prone areas in our country are Ganga Basin, Brahmaputra Basin, Indus Basin and Godavari Basin. Now I am going to tell you about one and only one cold desert in India is in Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. It is in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. It has Karakoram range in the north and south of this deserts. Janskar mountains are also present in the cold desert. Now I am going to tell you about hot desert. In India, one hot desert is in Rajasthan, that is Thar Desert. It covers 40% of Rajasthan. It has abnormally high temperatures. Now I am going to tell you about earthquakes. Abnormal shaking of land caused by disturbances in the earth crust results in the earthquakes. The major earthquakes occurred in Meghalaya, Madhubani, Andaman, Rann of Kutch, Kangra Valley, Bhuj, Gujarat, Muzaffarabad and Assam. These are the details of the major earthquakes. Muzaffarabad, in 2005, October 8, a major earthquake occurred which results in the death rate of 20,000 people and Richter scale magnitude is 7.6. In 1905, April 4th, earthquake occurred in Kangra Valley which results in the death rate of 20,000 people and Richter scale magnitude is 8. In 1934, January 15th, a major earthquake occurred in Madhubani which results in the death rate of 11,000 people and Richter scale magnitude is 8.3. In 1819, June 16th, a major earthquake occurred in Kutch, which results in the death of 2,500 people, and Richter scale magnitude is 8. In 2001, January 26th, a major earthquake occurred in Bhuj, which results in the death rate of 14,000 people, and Richter scale magnitude is 7.7. In 1869, January 10th, a major earthquake occurred in Assam, which results in the death rate of 1,000 people, and Richter scale magnitude is 7.5. In 1941, June 26th, a major earthquake occurred in Andaman, which results in the death rate of 1,000 people, and Richter scale magnitude is 8.1. In 1897, June 12th, a major earthquake occurred in Meghalaya, which results in the death rate of 1,500 people, and Richter scale magnitude is 8.7. This is the worst earthquake which has occurred so far, but the death rate is very low. Now I am going to tell you about tsunami. A big tidal wave which was caused because of earthquake is called tsunami. A tsunami occurred in Indian Ocean in 24th December 2004 which results in the deaths of thousands of people. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.